Hello friends, today I'll solve problem number 3 of the textbook. Before solving the problem, you have to follow the steps as I told you earlier. Prepare the format, marking of the trial balance, transfer of trial balance, transfer of adjustments and closing of various accounts. So let us first read the trial balance. From the following trial balance and adjustments given below, Reena and Aarti, you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. So the name of the partner is Reena and Aarti. Now on the debit side of the trial balance, let us see. We are having purchases. So purchases appearing on the debit side of trading account, debtors, asset side, sales return, less from the sales, opening stock, trading account debit side, bad debts, profit and loss debit side, land and building, asset side, furniture, asset side, discount, profit and loss debit, royalties, trading account debit, rent, profit and loss debit, salaries, profit and loss debit, wages, trading account debit, insurance, profit and loss debit, drawings of Reena and Aarti, capital account debit, cash at bank, assets and cash in hand asset. Now on the credit side, we have credit, we have sales, so trading account credit, then we have creditors, so liability side, then we have purchase return, that is subtract from the purchase, then we have RDD, we will subtract from the bad debts formula, discount, profit and loss credit, commission, profit and loss credit, and capital of Reena and Aarti we will be showing on the credit side of capital account. Our adjustments are closing stock 22,000 that we are transferring trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. Second, write off 900 for bad and doubtful debts. So here is and bad doubtful debts is wrong. Actually it is write off 900 for bad debts. So please do the correction. And create a provision for reserve for doubtful debts. So new bad debt is 900 and RDD is 1000. These two we are going to place in the formula bad debts on the debit side of profit and loss account and on the balance sheet in the formula of debtors. Then we are having next formula, create provision for discount on debtors and creditors. So we'll have two more formulas. Again, on the debit side of profit and loss account, we have a formula of discount allowed. And on the credit side of profit and loss account, we have a formula of discount received. So there are three formula in the profit and loss account. So that is why this problem is important to understand. And on the liability side, we are having formula for the creditors on the liability side, and we are having double formula for debtors on the asset side, one for bad debts and one for discount on debtors. Then we have normal outstanding expenses, wages, salaries, and insurance is prepaid for 12 months. Insurance is paid for 15 months with effect from 1st April 2018. Okay, so it is prepaid for 3 months. Now, as per our adjustments, we are going to put marking, tick mark on the debtors. It is to appear on the asset side in the formula. Bad debts, that is also in the formula. Land and building, asset side, we are going to write in the inner column. Discount formula we are going to write in profit and loss. Salaries we are supposed to write in the inner column. So we'll put tick mark on the salaries, wages, insurance on the debit side. So these are the items which we have to write in the inner column. On the credit side, creditors, we have to put tick mark, and RDD and discount, we have to put tick mark because they are appearing in their formulas. Okay. So now once this is completed, we will start posting each and every item in the solution. So now in the solution, we are writing at the top in the book of Reena and Aarti, trading and profit and loss account for their end date. Then we have profit and loss account here, partners capital account is there, balance sheet is there. So the important one is we are having bad debt formula over here. This is the bad debt formula. Okay. Then we are having formula for discount. This is the second formula. Then we are having formula for discount received on the credit side of profit and loss account. And we are having a big formula of the debtors on the asset side and one more formula of the creditors on the liability side. So these are the different formulas which are going to appear in this particular problem. Okay. Now let us start. Debit side, purchase is 35,500. So we are writing 35,500. Okay. On the debit side. Okay. Now, next is sundry debtors, 40,000. So on the asset side, 40,000 sundry debtors in the formula. Next, we are having sales return. So minus from the sales. Okay. So trading account, credit side, sales return. Then we are having opening stock. So trading account, debit side, first item is opening stock. Then we have bad debts. So in the formula of debit side of profit and loss account, in the formula bad debts 500, we are writing so 500 on the debit side. Then land and building is asset. So on the asset side, land and building 25,000. On the asset side, inner column. Then we are having furniture. So again furniture on the asset side, in the outer column, it is an asset. Now on the debit side, discount. So discount we are writing in the formula of discount. On the debit side, we have formula. This is nothing but discount allowed. They have not mentioned discount allowed, but discount debit means discount allowed. Royalties, it is a direct expense. So royalties, trading account, debit side. Next, we are having rent, profit and loss debit. So rent, profit and loss debit, 1,900. Then we are having salaries. So salaries we are writing in the inner column. Salaries 3,000 in the inner column. Then we are having wages. So wages again in the inner column. In the trading account, in the inner column, we are writing wages. Then insurance, profit and loss debit, inner column 1,500. That also we are writing on the debit side. Then we are having drawings of Reena and drawings of Aarti. Drawings of Reena and drawings of Aarti. So we are transferring to the capital account, drawings of Reena 2,000 and drawings of Aarti 1,000. Then cash at bank and cash in hand, both are transferred on the asset side. Cash at bank, that is 11,500 and cash in hand is 2,000. Now the debit side is over. There is no secret adjustment. Now we'll see the credit side. Sales is 58,200. So sales 58,200. Then we have creditors 25,700. So creditors will be writing creditors in the inner column 25,700. Then we are having purchase return. So minus from purchase return, that is 500. Then next we are having RDD. RDD is reserve for doubtful debts. Old reserve for doubtful debts 800. We are subtracting from the formula on the debit side of profit and loss account. Then we are having discount, credit, discount, credit, discount received. So we have formula on the credit side by discount. There we are writing in the formula. Then we are having commission. Commission is our income. So we are showing commission on the credit side of profit and loss account. We are having capital of Reena and Aarti. So we'll transfer to the capital account on the credit side. Capital of Reena 50,000 and capital of Aarti 30,000. So now the transfer of trial balance on the debit side and credit side is over. Now we'll see the adjustments one by one. Closing stock 22,000. So now we have closing stock credit side of trading account. So one effect trading account credit side and second effect in the balance sheet on the asset side. Second adjustment is bad debts. So write off 900 for bad debts. So we'll write off 900 on the debit side of profit and loss account as new bad debts, and 900 we are going to subtract from the debtors in the balance sheet. And we are supposed to provide we are supposed to make provision of 1,000. So there is no need of calculation. We are already given the figure 1,000. So 1,000 is new RDD. So one effect minus from the debtors, and second effect we will add to the formula on the debit side. So these are the two effects that we have, four effects totally that we have done in this solution. Now create provision for discount on debtors 3%. Okay. So now whatever debtors we got, net debtors 38,100, 3% of that we have to calculate. So 3% is 1143. So we'll continue this formula. We will not calculate on 40,000 or on any other figure. We'll calculate on the last figure, which is 38,100. And the second effect, we will be adding to the discount. Now it is in short here, bad debts we are saying RDD. But in case of reserve for discount debtors, our short form is RFDD. So RFDD, it is a new RFDD on the debit side of profit and loss account. So that is the effect of RDD, RFDD. Now reserve for discount on creditors 5%. So we'll calculate 5% of the creditors, that is 1285, and that we are going to subtract, and same 1285 we are going to add in the discount. Which discount? Discount received on the credit side. Okay. So we have completed the adjustment number 1, 2, 3 and 3. In 3 we are having 2 actually. Now outstanding expense, wages and salaries. So wages 700 we are adding to the wages, and in the salaries 800 we are adding. Both are outstanding, and both these outstanding are shown on the liability side, 700 and 800. So both the adjustments are over. Now insurance is paid for 15 months beginning from 1st April. So 1st April to 31st March is 12 months, and it is paid for 15 months. Means 3 months insurance is prepaid. So now the total insurance is 1,500. So for 1 month it is 100. So for 3 months it is 300. So 300 is subtracted. So prepaid insurance 300, and that 300 is shown on the asset side. Okay. Now we'll see the sum. There are no secret adjustments over here. and all the adjustments we have completed. Now we'll move to close the trading account, profit and loss account, capital account, and balance sheet. Now here on the credit side of trading account, we have sales minus sales turn, which is 57,200. So the total of the credit side is 79,200. And on debit side, we have opening stock, purchase minus purchase turn is, the outer column is 35,000, and wages total is 1,500. So the total of the debit side up to wages is 55,300. Now the credit side is heavy than the debit side. So the difference 23,900 is gross profit. So this particular difference is now gross profit 23,900. That gross profit is brought down here on the credit side. And one more formula here, we are having discount, new RFDC. We don't have any old RFDC, so outer column it is 1335. Now the credit side total is 25,485. On debit side, the total of the formula is 1,600. The total of the second formula is 2,143. Salaries total is 3,800. Insurance total is 1,200. Okay. So the total of the debit side is 11,893 and the total of credit side is 25,485. So the difference appears on the debit side, and that difference is a net profit which we are transferring. So net profit is 13,592, which we are transferring to capital account of Reena and Aarti in the ratio of 5:3. So we'll transfer to the capital account. So 8495 for Reena and for Aarti 5097. Now we'll close this capital account. When we'll close this capital account, the balance of the Reena will be 56,945 and the balance of Aarti is 34,097. Both we are going to place once again. Okay. Okay, now the balance of the Reena and Aarti is 56,495 and 34,097. This we are going to show on the liability side. So the liability side total of both the parties is 90,592 and the creditors 24,415, outstanding expense 1,500. Debtors formula, the total outcome is 36,957 and land and building 23,750. So total of both the sides is 1,16,507, 1,16,507. So now we can tell the balance sheet. Now only the important points in this sum are the formula of the discount on debtors and the discount on creditors. So these are the two important points in this particular problem. So please learn these important points and also solve this sum in your notebook. Thank you.